Once upon a time, in a small village near a vast jungle, lived a boy named Amir. He loved exploring the forest, but always stayed close to his home. One day, while gathering firewood, he heard a deep, painful roar. Curious, he followed the sound and found a mighty lion with a thorn stuck in its paw. At first, Amir was scared, but he saw the lion's eyes filled with pain, not anger. Summoning his courage, he slowly approached. "I won't hurt you," he whispered. Carefully, he pulled out the thorn. The lion let out a relieved sigh and licked Amir's hand in gratitude. From that day on, the lion became Amir's protector and friend. Whenever he ventured into the jungle, the lion would walk beside him. The villagers were amazed by their bond. One evening, when a group of hunters tried to enter the village, the lion roared loudly, scaring them away. The villagers cheered and thanked Amir and his loyal friend. Amir learned that kindness and bravery could even tame the fiercest of creatures. And so he and the lion remained best friends forever, proving that true friendship knows no boundaries.